Hello friends, my name is Sia and today we will be making another craft. It's this cute face fox. It's not going to be a whole fox, but it's going to be a little face of the fox. We will be making this cute three-step simple fox. I hope you enjoy making this fox with me, and let's begin. Here are the materials needed. I have placed them right here. So, we will need this big square sheet of paper. You can use any color you want. A fox is usually orange, so I'm using orange. And you obviously need a glue stick. And these three balls, these two are the eyes. I've painted the eyes right here. I've made one small circle and then shaded it in. You can make the eyes however you want. This is how I made the eyes. And we will need a big chubby nose. So we will be needing these. We'll be needing these 5 materials, and if you have them all, let's begin. So we won't be needing these for now, but we will take our orange paper and put it like this. Now, we will fold it like this in half. You can fold it like this or like this. I'm folding it like this. Make sure it's aligned at exactly. So now, keep it right here and align it. And after that, I'm going to crease it and then, okay. Now that I have my triangle ready, I'm not going to open it. I'm going to keep it like this, and just like our full paper folded in half, this half is going to be folded into another half. Right here, I'm going to fold it into a half. Now this time we're going to open it. Since the way that I did it makes the point forward, I'm going to flip it upside down. This is where the nose is going to be. So we're going to have to put a point right there. Now, this part will be a bit hard. Now, I am going to place my finger right here. And I'm going to just align this tiny spot right here next to our midpoint, which we made in the previous step, making our half again. So we shouldn't touch that or cross that. Now, just like that, I'm going to keep folding it up, up, up. And just like that, right here, you're going to see a line that is unfolded. It should look like this. Now crease it right here. Crease it right there. And since we all know that a fox doesn't have one ear, we're going to do the same thing for this other side. So I'm going to lift it up, and then right here, I'm going to fold it. Okay. Now we're just going to fold it right here. Okay. So now that we have folded our fox's ears and face, this is how the fox should look. It should look like that. And now we will be gluing the eyes and the nose. So our previously shown little eyes, little balls that we showed, will be the eyes. So we're going to get the glue stick and take one eye. It can be either eye. So now, if you see that little crease we made in the middle of both of the ears, we will just put a little bit of dab of the glue in middle of the line and also in the middle of the ear as well. So I'm going to set that aside and put the eye on right there. And since we made those little balls, those balls should be facing inward to the other ear. Now when we glue this one, that one should be facing that ball. It's like looking at each other. The other ear, they both have creases, so we'll be gluing both of them. So I'm going to put it right there. Okay. So this is how the fox should look now. And we still have one part left, the big black nose. It would obviously go right here for the end of the face. So since it would go there, I'm going to put some glue exactly where all four creases meet. Now I'm going to glue the nose. So this is the finished fox, and this is how it should look. I hope you enjoyed making this cute 3-step fox with me, and I hope you come back for the next episodes of crafts, lessons, learnings, and videos. Bye-bye for now!